much have my eyes chosen in a noble place. So I do not complain if they weep in vain, and the heart and the mind act as fools and as frenzied, for they wait for such a rich lordship, like one who serves a rich lord, from whom he obtains not even an amorous glance. So if I can, will go far from you, good lady, and I speak great folly, for it cannot be. So heartfelt is my love to me. I was truly evil that day, so much effort I made, that I recounted to you the love that still burned me. And thereupon I established Montesquieu, a strong castle that is the head of courtliness. And there was never a worse war, for night and day you make me stay awake, thinking how I might at least please you as much as it seemed to me I did before that day when I told you my heart in secret. I do not marvel if your great beauty makes me stay pensive, my fair beloved, for among the best and the best of noble love, they all acclaim you as the most beautiful one there is, the body well made with great worth, eyes and mouth pleasing without any deceit, white hands and blonde hair fitting well of her fair feet. It is not fitting for me to tell the whiteness, for I never saw them, nor did God do me so much love. In the distress of love, lady, more dead than alive, I cry mercy to you. Do not wish that pure love kill me, which burns me more than a live coal. For you whom I love and desire night and day, for with only one kiss of succor I would be gay and happy with love, more than Tristan was for his beloved, or ever any other more pure lover. For apart from all, my lady is the best. If only I were of your kindred, so that I might see you and kiss you all the while. For thus I would be rewarded for this suffering of loving well, which otherwise I know is folly. For at once the ill doubles for me in weeping, for I dare not see you, you who give me good and harm, nor dare I serve you as a pure lover must do. Such fear I have that the false slanderers, but yet if it please you, be you against them.